Today, boys and girls, we are looking at how to set out an informal letter. I'm sure you've all written letters over the past year or so in different forms, and today we're going to look at how we're going to write one. So what is an informal letter? Well, it's a letter that we send to people that we know, such as thank you letters, postcards, letters to our friends or family who live far away. Have you ever written a letter before? What type of letter have you written? Did you write one to Santa Claus this year? Well, here's one, an example of a thank you letter to Santa. Let's have a read. First, up here in the corner we have your address. We have the date, and then over on the left hand side we start with a greeting, Dear Santa, and we put a little comma. Paragraph 1. I am writing to thank you for the lovely presents you left at my house on Christmas Eve. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw them all so beautifully wrapped. Your elves must have been very busy this time of year. Next paragraph. I especially loved the bike and have been learning how to ride it, as I haven't had one without stabilizers before. The pink helmet is a perfect fit, and I wear it to protect my head when I'm on my bike in case I fall off. Next paragraph, another idea. My brother James loved his train set and has been playing with it every day since you delivered it. He loves the noise it makes and connecting all of the carriages together. Final paragraph and sentence. I hope you and Mrs. Claus have a lovely holiday and the elves and reindeers have a well-deserved rest. And then we sign off. Love from Daisy. Here's an example of a postcard. Have you ever been on holidays and sent a postcard to someone back at home? They're shorter than letters. You write the address on the right-hand side and your note on the left-hand side. Dear Daisy, how are you? We are at the seaside. Short sentences, do you notice? It has all been like a dream and very nice weather too. What a treat. We have had ice cream every day and my mum said that maybe I can go on a donkey tomorrow and she will teach me to swim. What a week it's been. We spent lots of money as it isn't cheap and our feet are tired. But it's been worth it. Lots of love and see you soon, May. And here's an example of a letter to friends or family. Again, we have our address on the right-hand side and the date. And then we begin from the left-hand side with our letter. Dear Gran, how are you? Mum told me you haven't been feeling very well. I've baked some of your favourite cakes and wondered when it would be possible for me to come and visit. Hope to see you soon. Lots of love, Little Red Riding Hood. So let's look at how we're going to write the informal letter. Step 1. Write your address in the top right-hand corner of your letter. We all learnt our address in the first week in September this year. Next, underneath it, we write the date in full. After that, we start our letter. Dear, and whoever it is we're writing to. Then we tell the person why we are writing to them. We add any extra information in the next paragraph, anything extra we'd like to tell. And then at the end we finish off using our name and a love from or see you soon, or however you like to end your letters. So today we are going to start off with our informal letter writing by identifying, so labelling and showing us that you understand the different parts of the letter. In the template section at the beginning of today's work, you just have to click Add Response and it will bring you to this page. And along the side of the page you will have boxes that you can drag and drop into the right place, or you can use the pencil icon and write them. That's up to you. So let's read the words together. This is Kate's letter. These are the different parts of the letter. The body, the address, the greeting, the signature, the date, and how you're going to close your letter. Let's read it. 15 Hill Road, Redtown, the 11th of October 2020. Dear Mike, how are you? I'm good. I'm sorry for not writing sooner, but I have been very busy. It was my 8th birthday last week. I had a party and all my friends came to my house. Daddy got a bouncy castle for the garden and we played lots of games. Mum cooked a pizza and chips for everyone. It was brilliant fun. I got a red bike from my granddad. It is great because now I can go cycling every day with my cousin. We are going to the cinema later. I want to see Spider-Man. Have you seen it yet? I will write again soon and tell you all about it. I hope to hear from you soon too. From Kate. Now, can we go back and I want you to decide how you're going to label your letter. Where is the body of the letter? Where is the address? Where is the greeting? Where do you put your signature? Where is the date? And how you're going to close your letter. Sign off the closing. Have a go.